Mouthpiece in mobile phone is very important component in a mobile phone. So without a phone mouthpiece, you can't be able to make call. So hello guys, welcome back to Vitesse Communication. In today's video, we are going to talk about what mouthpiece is all about. What mouthpiece is all about in mobile phone repair. So in today's video, we are going to discuss what mouthpiece is all about, how a faulty mouthpiece behave, and type of mouthpiece. I'm still going to talk about the importance or the uses of mouthpiece in a mobile phone. So let's start with the definition of mouthpiece in a mobile phone. Mouthpiece is a part of a phone or a component of a phone that enable a receiver to hear your voice whenever you are making call, or whenever you are doing a voice note or recording. You can be able to hear yourself, or when you are making call, somebody can be able to hear you. Again, mouthpiece is a mobile part of a phone or a mobile component that enable a receiver of a call to hear your voice. That's what mouthpiece is all about. The importance or the uses of mouthpiece in your mobile phone are: one, for recording a voice. When you are doing a voice record in your mobile phone, you can be able to hear yourself. Secondly, it is important in making call, that is, the receiver can be able to hear you. Thirdly, when you are doing voice note, either in WhatsApp, Telegram, or Facebook, the receiver can be able to hear you clearly. That's the importance of mouthpiece in your mobile phone. So now, what are the signs of faulty mouthpiece? What are some of the signs you need to know to help you to understand that your mouthpiece is faulty? One, the receiver can't be able to hear you, or there will be a cracking noise. Secondly, if you do a voice record in your mobile phone, you cannot be able to hear it. Thirdly, when you are making a voice note, either in WhatsApp, Telegram, or Facebook, the receiver can't be able to hear you, or you cannot be able to hear your own voice. When you notice this sign, just know that your mouthpiece is faulty. Even whenever you try your best in changing network, it happens like that. Just know that your phone have a mouthpiece problem. So now, what are the type of mouthpiece in mobile phone repair? Well, as a mobile engineer, you need to know the type of mouthpiece, but in this video, I will outline them. Basically, we have two types of mouthpiece. The first one is the surface mounted mouthpiece or the board mouthpiece. These are type of mouthpiece that are soldered from the company. Those one doesn't require wire. They are just mounted on the surface of your mobile PCB. So this one can be removed by the help of your candle, your workstation, or hot gun, or hot air blower. Then the second type of mouthpiece is the wire mouthpiece or the universal mouthpiece, as we all know. These are type of mouthpiece that have wires, the black and the white, or the blue and the black, any color. Why we call them universal? Because they can be soldered in any mobile phone at all. Once you remove the surface mounted mouthpiece or the board mouthpiece, you can replace it with the wire mouthpiece, so far as you know the particular position it fits. So that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you have known the definition of mouthpiece, importance of mouthpiece, fault of mouthpiece, and the type of mouthpiece. Continue to subscribe to Vitesse Communication channel. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.